Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Andrew here. It's Monday afternoon, April 18th. This is the weekly update to the TFSA portfolio. If you're new here, I just do like a weekly update on my high dividend portfolio in Wealthsimple Trade. The TFSA account, I hold mostly high dividend covered call positions, and just run through how the portfolio is doing on a weekly basis. Please subscribe and comment if you like this stuff, and we'll get right into it. So yeah, it's, like I said, it's Monday. The markets are currently open right now. We're up $158.51 in the last day. The portfolio is currently sitting at $75,676.62. Over the last week, we're down slightly, $237. In the last month, we're up $276. Last 3 months, we're up $1,353, or 2%. The last year, we're up $11,113, 17%. And then all time now, we're up $12,264.56, or 19%. So that's where we're sitting at right now. Over the last week, we did have one dividend come in, which was EIT. It paid me $54 on Friday afternoon. So I took that money this morning and bought. I usually buy the shares that paid, but right now EIT is on a bit of a run. It's kind of high, so I don't really want to buy high. So I instead took those shares and bought some more shares of DFN. I took that cash and bought more shares of DFN. I bought 6 shares of DFN for $8.56 each, which was a total of $51.36. So that's kind of the activity that's happened in the last week. We can show in the tracker here for the month of April. Now we're up to $412.33 in dividends. I have one more dividend to come, which is Smart Centers. It's going to pay today, actually. Normally the money gets deposited after the end of the trading day, so it'll be available tomorrow. I think it's around $31, $32, so that'll put me up to $444 for the month of April. Again, that's the last dividend for April, and we can see that the monthly amount is slowly growing over time. I was up to $486 back in November, but then I sold off some shares there and took the cash to transfer into the kids' education plan. So that's why we dropped back down. And when you look, if you're new here, when you look here, we have that significant drop there, was because of that cash out. But otherwise, yeah, it's trucking along pretty well. One other thing I wanted to show was so our total dividends received since I opened the portfolio, we're up $6,061 in dividends, and total gains is $12,241. So it's about 50% dividends and 50% capital gains, I guess. Average yield on the portfolio is sitting at 7.81%, which is an annual income. Again, this is all tax-free because it's in the TFSA. So an annual dividend income, if I did want to take all that cash as income, would be $5,912.80, or monthly $492.73. You can see the split in all the holdings, mostly ETFs, real estate, some financials, and some other, and pretty even split between each of the individual positions. So we'll get back into the portfolio here and look at each of the individual positions. DFN is up $594, 7.5%. EIT, again, that's the one I was saying is taken off recently. We're up $1,294, almost 20%. And if we look at the last 3 months, let's say, it's really increased in value. HHL is up. HHL is up $740, almost 10.3%. Smart Centers is up $827, just shy of 14%. TXF has taken a hit recently. That's the one that holds all the tech giant positions. We're down 7% in that one. And that's the one that pays a quarterly dividend. But the dividends are pretty juicy, so it's nice to have. ZWC is up 11.21 or 15.74%. ZWE is up $300. ZWK is down a bit recently. That's the U.S. Banks Covered Call ETF. It's down 2% or $144. ZWS is up 386. And ZWU, the Utilities Covered Call ETF from BMO, is up $647 or 8.55%. So that's all the rundown right now. Nothing else really exciting happening this week. Like I said, Smart Centers is paying me today. I'll take those funds and buy some more shares tomorrow. But otherwise, yeah, we'll check back in another week and see how things are going. So hope everyone's having a good week. Again, subscribe to the channel if you like this content and hit the bell if you want to be notified. Leave us a thumbs up and we'll see you down in the comments. Cheers.